I'm actually moving out in 2 days. This is literally the last possible time I chose to do this. Hello everyone. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, but if I do, what is up? When I was coming to college, I watched so many of these because I wanted like ideas on how to decorate. I wanted to know what it would be like living in a dorm, all that good stuff. Basically, without further ado, this is my dorm room tour. So this is the view when you walk in. There's our window. I'll show you the view outside the window because it's just a parking lot really. There's a little like area down there where people can sit. There's like grills, but really no one goes down there. And then these pretty lights, I think they're Emily's, and then we decorated it with this vine because we didn't know what else to do with it. That's Emily's bed and her desk and her closet. And then right here we have our TV place. We had like a whole thing of Polaroids up there, and then it fell and we've just been too lazy to pick it up. But here are all of our food. Here we have like granola bars and like just random stuff, hot chocolate, medicine, like salty stuff, candy, and like extra shampoo and detergent. And then, you know, we got our candles. We don't light them because that's not allowed. Then we have a little candy jar. And then we used to use this a lot, but then we lost the remote, so yeah. And then right here is my wardrobe thing. It has two things on the bottom. The bottom one is like my pants, which like literally never closes. But yeah, it's my pants. And then this one is just like t-shirts and like all that good stuff. And then in here, just looks like that. Keep my towel there. And then on this side, it has a mirror. It's really messy inside, but this is where I look at myself every day. I'm surprised it hasn't cracked yet. And then up there is just like literally extra bins for clothes. Over here is our like refrigerator and microwave, cereals, silverware, and then just like plates and random stuff. And then we kept our bags here. Emily's hook fell, so it's just mine here now. This is the back of the door. Basically, when we were going through a rough time, we made all of these. I drew them, she colored, great duo. And then we just have another mirror. This is my desk. It's not always this clean, but yeah. So just up here I have some plants, pictures, candles, a necklace, more plants, and a fan. This literally got me through my semester. I love you. I ain't never gonna stop loving you. And then just some pictures again. More plants, paintings, all that good stuff. Started a little Polaroid thingy right there, and this is honestly my favorite part. I just like how this area looks with this makeup holder. I kind of took most of it out already, and then just some jewelry and lipstick and all that. And then I'll show you all my pictures. There's my dad, there's Madison, Taylor, Donald. There are all my pictures, and then I have some like books and notebooks. This light, it's really cool. It's from IKEA. And this is what I do my makeup with. It's like really cool because you can bend it. My makeup mirror. And all my brushes and everything. Also, these are so good. I'm gonna miss these. They're like Bloomingberries. You know what's up. Oh yeah, this is my favorite part. This little like fake fur rug. I don't know. I just put it on my chair to make it prettier because underneath it's like that. So like that just makes it a lot cuter. I'm gonna frick around and show you what's in my drawers. So I don't know, nothing special, just all my pens and pencils, more pens and pencils, and then under there I just have my makeup bag and like ASOS thing. In here, literally random candy, nail polish, makeup wipes, earrings, yeah. And in here is like my hair ties, chapstick and eye drops and rings and bracelets, like all that beauty care stuff, some lotion, eyeshadow, whatever. Oh, and another thing, these are so cute. They're just like command strips with like a diamond on them, and it makes it so easier to pull because otherwise you have to go like try and get it in there or like down here. But like these make it so easier and like look cute. And then in here is just like my hair stuff, my brush, and like dry shampoo, curling iron, all that good stuff. Moving on to my bed area. This is where I spend all of my time. These are all my pictures with some string lights and then a Beatles poster. Emily got that. And then this blanket right here, softest thing you've ever felt. I love it so much. This is where I hang my Polaroid. I just had a random place right there and fits perfect. What is that? Okay. And that's my little calendar. Look at all my finals. And this is my tapestry. I got it when I was obsessed with blue. If you can't tell, like my comforter is kind of blue as well. And I will say that it is so dirty. Look, there's like a highlighter. There's some pizza sauce. Like for a while my bed was literally our kitchen table because it went like this way. I'll like show you a picture, but like it was literally our kitchen table, and like it's still my kitchen table. I eat there all the time when I do homework, and like it's so dirty. Like the top of my bed is gray and like the sides are white, but it's fine, it's fine. And then this also saved my life. It's a little pillow thingy. And back here is another little picture thing. I got it from IKEA. And I have some of my fave pictures up there with my favorite people. And I just keep necklaces on here. This is more like gold and silver and then random and random, whatever. But it's just nice and convenient because they're all sitting out for you to wear. This I got at the Lake County Fair with Donald, super cute. This is right by my bed. I obviously have a picture of Donald right there. I usually keep like a thing of water. This is my IU cup, and then going down, have some Kleenexes and my chargers. I just plug my chargers in there and it's perfect. I could like reach it. Under here, some plants, just got this from Urban and like Marshalls and all that good stuff. My focus candle, love her to death. Behind my bed, we just keep this little like fold up chair right there. And then under my bed, my mom made these like curtain thingies for my bed because I didn't want people to see underneath it. This is under my bed, my laundry, just throw my shoes there, and I keep like more shoes in there. Those are my shower shoes, love those, just kidding. Oh, hello. I just found this baby under my bed. Good thing it's only 1 night old. So yeah, I made me and Emily macaroni and cheese last night and then just like stuck it under my bed so it wouldn't smell up the room. I don't know why, like don't ask me why, but like, whatever, found it. That was the under bed part. Just gonna put that under there until I wash them. Moving on to this area. So these are just some plants, and then my Himalayan salt lamp, love her to death too. Here I just keep my t-shirts, and then here I keep my shorts, and then here is just like random extra stuff. Febreze, love her too, love her, love her. Glade, I don't fuck with her. Here's our little shower caddies. This is mine, well, that's Emily's. And then this thing has turned into our dirty dishes that none of us want to wash. But honestly, I feel like that's it.